Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the news. We are coming to you from the base of Mount Yamnuska, one of the prettiest mountains close to Calgary here in Alberta. We're very fortunate to have these mountains so close to us. Our Canmore store, which is in the mountains, gets to experience them every day. And obviously us in Airdrie, we get to see them from a distance, but it does not take long to get out here. We have a great episode today. We're talking about Streethunter Design's new body kit for the Mustang. Absolutely wicked looking. We're talking about a bunch of new trucks that have dropped over the last couple days and couple years that are competing with the big three. And we're also going to be talking about a new, simpler way to customize your vehicle from Ford. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Starting things off, as always, I have this beautiful pre-owned Super Duty F350 with the 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. Absolutely phenomenal vehicle. If you're interested, obviously I'll put the listing in the bio below. So if you are interested, go check that out. Starting things off, Streethunter Design has released a body kit for the S650 Mustang, and boy, let me tell you, it is one of the best things I have set my eyes on in the last little bit. If you want the looks of the GTD Mustang without spending $350,000, this is the kit for you. It comes with front bumper replacement, front lip and canards, front fender replacement, side skirts, rear over fenders, rear bumper diffuser, hood optional, trunk optional, rear spoiler optional, always go for the rear spoiler, and quarter window scoops, which are also optional. Now, it looks absolutely phenomenal. The wide body look on this Mustang, having it sitting on the ground, looks so good. And it has enough power and enough performance right from the get-go that you could go all cosmetic if you wanted to customize this vehicle and not worry about anything performance-wise because it is so good at what it does. So let me know down in the comments what you think about the S650 Streethunter Design body kit. Is that something that you would be interested in looking at on a day-to-day basis in your garage? If so, let us know down in the comments. Moving on, over the last 10 years, trucks have been coming out of the woodworks that aren't part of the big three. Before that, Dodge, Chevy, Ford, those were the trusted brands. Toyota did make the Tundra, but it was kind of hit or miss for the people in North America. Now, however, you can get your hands on quite a few different models. Starting off with the new Scout Terrace. Scout used to be a Volkswagen off-brand back in the day, but they have brought it back with a body-on-frame truck and SUV that look, I'm not gonna lie, they look fantastic. One of them has a fully EV engine, the other one has a small gas motor inside it to power, like a generator to power the electric motor. 350 miles, so 500 kilometers worth of range on these things. This is gonna be the conversation about this segment is, would you trust an off-brand truck to do the things you expect a truck to do when you don't have the support to fix it in the long run? And the next one is a perfect example of that, the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck, for all intents and purposes, is a joke. Whistling Diesel did a thing on it and it could not cut it. It couldn't even compete against an XLT F-150. So the Cybertruck, I don't even have to say as much about it. The stainless steel body on it, the tonneau cover that doesn't work. I saw one recently for the first time in person and it looks like a dumpster. Nothing against Tesla, but they just hyped it up so much that it was gonna be better than the F-150 and they were wrong. So anyways, the Cybertruck, the Rivian RT1 is a truck, an EV truck that actually came into development with the help of Ford from the beginning. And it's a great looking vehicle. It's got an estimated range of 673 miles, which is actually quite good. Originally built with the help of Ford, and honestly, again, no support for a vehicle like that within the city of Calgary. I don't even know where you would get a Rivian fixed if something went wrong. If you're out in the mountains and something happens, you bottom it out, skid plate gets damaged or anything like that, you're gonna be waiting months to get it fixed. And the last one that I've noticed recently is the Kia Tasman. The Kia Tasman is a new vehicle. It is being powered by a turbo diesel or a 2-liter gas engine. And we don't know if we're gonna see this in North America, but if it does well over in Europe, obviously we will see it over here. But again, another body-on-frame truck. Kia is a little bit more reliable, I think. They should have changed their name back in the late 2000s when they were fixing their vehicles, because Kia is now quite actually a good brand. But Dodge, Ford, Chevy, they're still the go-tos. And when it comes to EVs, if you look at Ford, Ford has had 2 extra years of real-world experience with an EV truck on the road with the Lightning. The Silverado EV just recently came out, and now Dodge is coming out with their Ram EV generator type thing. So let me know down in the comments what you think about a third-party truck. Is that something that you'd be interested in driving? Is it something that, does it scare you, the fact that there's maybe one dealership for them in 300 kilometers? Let me know down in the comments below. Currently, SEMA is on down in Las Vegas, which is a massive aftermarket convention for the automotive industry, where it shows off tons of different availability for vehicles that you can buy. And Ford has usually quite a large presence at these, and they've announced recently they have a garage customs task force that's coming out that is going to allow you to customize your vehicles a lot easier and more uniquely. So they're coming out with a couple packages right off the bat. One is for the Bronco, it's the matte black package, and the other one is the Sinister Bronze package. Sinister Bronze sounds phenomenal. I love bronze look on a vehicle. What you get with these packages are Ford Performance off-road 2-inch leveling suspension kit, Ford Performance parts calibration tool. You get 5 17-inch custom wheels with black lug nuts. You get a special grille letter, caps, badges, and smoked Ford oval. You get extended fender flares, and you get an updated spare tire cover to obviously show off the fact that you've customized this vehicle. Bronze looks phenomenal. Matte black looks phenomenal. I think this is a really cool way that Ford is reaching out to customers and saying, if you want to make it your own, you can make it your own, no problem. Let us know down in the comments what you think about those packages. Is the bronze package something that you would be interested in? Obviously, our parts department is ready to bring on those parts for you and customize your Bronco for you. So let us know. Give us a call, 403-948-6660, and we'd be happy to help you out. This is it for the news today. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.